Hi everybody, welcome to Mr. Ma's online learning platform. This video will basically show us how to get started with certain things. So before we even begin, we're learning new material or even reviewing old material. I'd like you to do 4 different things. And if you were in class with me, you might have seen this stuff already. So just keep all this in mind. But Number 1 is going to be how to share your codingbat.com account with the teacher so that I can see how much progress you've made on assignments. Number 2 is going to be joining my Google Classroom. If you already know how to do this, you may pause the video at this time and write down the class code, which is right here, XD5UELO. Number 3, we're going to show you how to do Prince William County Public Schools password resets for your account in case you need to do that. And number 4 is on how to go to my webpage to get any class materials, which does not even require a login. So let's get started. The first thing we'll do is CodingBat. So let's just go to a web browser. Normally you would just go to codingbat.com like this. Hit enter, or you can just Google CodingBat and it will pop up, and then just log in like you normally would. Now, if you forgot your password, feel free to click the Forget Password link and it should send an email to the email address that you provided. If for some reason this still doesn't work, you may just have to create a new account and share that with me. And it's no big deal. Just go ahead, create a new one, and that's it. So let me log in. And once I'm logged in, I want to share my account with the teacher. So what I will do is go to Prefs. Prefs is in the upper right hand corner right here. Click on Prefs, and you'll see that you can go ahead and go to Teacher Share. You will need to type in masx@pwcs.edu and then click share. Let me zoom in on this a little bit more so you can see. Again, teacher share masx@pwcs.edu. Type that in, click share. Now once you're done, you should go to the memo and update your name. So type in your last name, comma, first name. Capitalization doesn't really matter. I just need to identify you. And then click Update Memo. And then that is how to share your CodingBat account with me, the teacher. The next thing we'll do is learn how to use Google Classroom and start it up. So this is the code. So what you have to do is go ahead and take that code, XD5UELO. And what you'll do is you'll just log into Google like you normally would, click the 9 dots or the waffle, and go to Classroom. After you go there, you will see something that says Google Classroom. Hit the little plus sign at the upper right hand side. So hit the plus sign and it will say Join Class. Click that, and this is where you're going to type in that code and hit Join. So that should allow you to join the Advanced Computer Math class. Let me just try this. Well, it's not valid for me because, I'm already the person who made the class, but it should work for you. So you should see an Advanced Computer Math class that you have joined. And you may go ahead and download Google Classroom onto your phone, and you'll receive notifications from Google Classroom about assignments that you can do. Or you can just use a Chromebook or a web browser and then just log in to Google Classroom the normal way. The third thing I'll talk about is PWCS password resets. So you might be in a situation where you want to reset your password. Some of you may have received an email that looks like this. I know I received this email. It says, staff and students can now reset their passwords from outside the network by clicking on Password Service from the Information Technology Department PWCS webpage. So I just clicked on that link and I went to it, and if you scroll down, you would be a student, and then you would just go ahead and go to student password reset and log in with your normal username and password, just like you would when you're using the computer. So you're going to do all this, and if you need me to send you the link on how to get to this location, please just email me. Remember, my email address is, let me just put that up here. Oops. My email address is masx@pwcs.edu. That's the one that I'm going to be checking, and that's the one you should send all communication to. The fourth thing that you will need to do is figure out how you can get class materials from my webpage, which does not even need a login. So what you do is you just go to any web browser and you can type in patrioths.com or just Google Patriot High School's website. If you do that, of course, you'll get Patriot's webpage. And after you're done with that, highlight over department pages and go down to mathematics. And just click on mathematics since that is the department I am in. You can scroll down, look at the left hand side of the page and scroll down to my name, Ma S, that is me. And you can go ahead and if you just scroll down the page, you'll see the current homework assignments. We've got the calendars, so I can even just click on these or right click and hit open link in new tab. We will be working in unit 6 and 7. 6 is actually the unit we pretty much finished already. I didn't actually teach any new material for unit 6. All of unit 6 material was already covered before our little temporary shutdown of the school. And Unit 7 is all new stuff. You can also click on the Advanced Computer Math for Google Drive, and that will take you to all the assignments. So if you just kind of look here, yeah, see, it shows the dates, the things that I would check that day, the homework that you need to do, the notes that we did based on the date of class. It shows all of that information. And the Google Drive links are going to show basically just all the materials needed for the class. So if we're in Unit 7, you would just click on the folder and it would basically have all the materials that we did for that unit. If you're in AP, Computer Science, you would just pretty much do the same thing except with these two links over here. Well, that's it for this video. Please remember that if you have any questions, email me at masx@pwcs.edu. Thank you.